Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Onanti and I hope you're all doing well. So today I have to go out, and before going out I need to do my skin moisturization. So I thought I should come here and then show you how I moisturize my skin and which product I'm using. So this is TTC, the thedermaco 4% urea deep moisturizing cream. So lately my skin is very dry. I was feeling very dry, and then it's very cold here. I feel like the winter is now in this February month. So it was feeling very dry, and I thought I need an emergency call for my skin. So this thedermaco came to the rescue. The key ingredient, urea, it will gently exfoliate your dead skin cells, and it will also deeply moisturize and nourish your skin. And also one good thing about this is it will also strengthen your skin barrier without feeling heavy on the skin. So I'll just show you how I do. I've already washed my face. I have used a face wash already, and I'll show you how I apply on my skin. Also, there is even more to love about this thedermaco. Not only your purchase enhances your skincare routine, but it also contributes to a noble cause. The thedermaco has empowered 10,000 plus young students this year through their Young Scientist initiative. For every product you buy from them, they will link your author to a child that helped educate with Pumi. Guys, this product is available in Nykaa, Flipkart, Amazon and Purple. So you can check on the description below, I've given here, and you can go to the link. And also you can use my code ONAN2024 and get 20% discount. So be happy and have a healthy looking skin. Alright guys, so today we're gonna cook something very special. So we are here in the woods and we're gonna cook here now. I have my own way of cooking, so let's see how it comes out, okay? So stay tuned. So the cooker is already hot, so I'm gonna put this mustard oil first and then let it stay like this for some time. So we got all of this curry. I'm gonna add more salt because we have to add meat also. And these are the masalas that I bought it in the market on the way. So first I'm gonna add all of this at one go. Now this is chili powder, and we have this garam masala, and then this haldi, and the last but not the least, jeera powder.
đấy mà.
And that's the fire. So one good about this fire is that it's very economic. So we will cook for 3 minutes. So this one looks already good. Now let's add this tomato. So now comes the final part. The meat is already rinsed. It's very clean now, and I'm gonna add this in a cooker. So I've added water and I'm gonna pressurize for some time. So I've pressurized it for 6 to 7 times, and let's see how it came out. Ooh, it's looking good. It smells good also. Let's see. Look at that, it looks so yummy. Yo, kinase?
Tasty.
Tasty ko ekbar khai na degabe to. Wow, wow. So we have chutney here, garlic chutney, then boil, and this is the meat. Would you like to give a try? So I'm gonna try first, okay? It's nice. So guys, that comes to the end of my short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.